If you're like me, you have a ton of different applications open on your computer, whether it's productivity, social media, whatever. And it's very easy to lose track of what you're doing. Well, the good news is that Windows 10 has a utility where you can create multiple desktops to separate and organize your different applications. I'm Mike, and I'll show you how. Right here you see a typical Chrome window, nothing spectacular, and I have a couple of other apps open. The first thing you want to do is click this icon in the lower left corner. It says Task View when you hover over it. And then you'll see all of the applications that are open on the screen. So you see besides my browser, I have Notepad, Explorer, and Word open. So now, to create a second desktop, click on the plus sign in the lower right-hand corner that says New Desktop. And now you have a second blank desktop. So let's go to it, and you'll see that it looks just the same as it does when you start up your computer. So let's go ahead and open up Excel. That'll take a minute to open up, and we're there. So now let's go back and navigate between the two desktops. There are a couple of ways to do that. First, by clicking the icon again and hovering your mouse over either one. The other way is with a keyboard shortcut. By pressing Control, Windows, and the left or right keys as needed, you'll see that it goes back and forth between the two desktops. Another thing you can do is snap a window to the side of your screen. You can do that by right-clicking the picture of the app that you want to snap and click either Snap Left or Snap Right. You'll see that the other applications will have their thumbnails on the other half of the screen. Another neat feature of having multiple desktops is, for example, when you want to have an application on all of your desktops. One good example here is Spotify. I don't want to have to keep navigating between desktops just to change playlists. So what you could do there is right-click Spotify and click Show this window on all desktops. You see the entry below here, Show windows from this app on all desktops. That's going to be a case when you have an application with multiple windows. Maybe you have a bunch of different browser windows open, but let's go with the first option here. Show this window on all desktops. So now you see on desktop number 1, Spotify is open. And if you go to desktop number 2, Spotify's here as well. So now, if you are done with a desktop, you want to get rid of it, all you have to do is hover over and click the X. The desktop will be deleted, and any applications that are open will default back to the first desktop. And as you see on desktop 1, here's where Excel moved to. I hope this video helped you to navigate multiple desktops in Windows 10. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also find me on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks again for watching.